Now question number 18, it says let Pn be number of digits when 8 to the power n is written in base 6, and let Qn be number of digits when 6 to the power n is written in base 4. We need to find this limit, which is limit n tends to infinite Pn Qn upon n square. Now there is a direct formula for that. So if we write 8 to the power n to the base of 6, then number of digits Pn, it is given by greatest integer function of log 8 to the power n to the base 6 and then plus 1. So this is the formula to find out number of digits in other base. So in the same way, we can find number of digits Qn when the base is 4. So Qn will be log base is 4 and number here is 6 to the power n and plus 1. So basically Pn is n log 8 base 6 plus 1, and Qn is greatest integer n log 6 base 4 plus 1. Now we need to find this limit, which is limit n tends to infinite Pn into Qn upon n square. Now in greatest integer function, we know this property that greatest integer function of x is always less than or equal to x, and it is greater than x minus 1. So I can write Pn is less than or equal to n log 8 base 6 plus 1, and it is greater than n log 8 base 6. In the same way, we can write Qn. So Qn will be less than n log 6 base 4 plus 1, and here will be n log 6 base 4. Now if we multiply them, then we can write it as n square log 8 base 6 into log 6 base 4 is less than Pn into Qn, and it is less than n log 8 base 6 plus 1 into n log 6 base 4 plus 1. So now I'll need to find this limit. So I'll need to divide it with n square. So I'll also divide it with n square. So if I'll divide it with n square, and I'll take this limit also. I'll take this limit n tends to infinite. Now since it is an infinite limit, so highest power of n in the numerator and denominator is 2. So answer to this left hand limit will be simply log 8 into log 6, and here it is limit n tends to infinite Pn Qn by n square, and here also the highest power is n square. So here also this limit will be log 8 base 6 into log 6 base 4. Now Sandwich theorem says if fx lies between gx and hx, and if limiting value of gx is L and limiting value of hx is L, then the limiting value of this limit is also L. So which simply means the value of this limit is equal to log 8 base 6 into log 6 base 4. So I can write it as log 2 base 8 upon log 6 base 2, and here will be log 6 base 2 upon log 4 base 2. So it will cancel. So 8 is 2 cube and 4 is 2 square. So the value of this limit is simply 3 by 2, and that's your option number C.